Hello students, we are solving a question on current electricity from 24th January shift 1 JEE Mains 2026. It's a question on meter bridge. Let us read the question. The question says two resistors of 2 ohm and 3 ohm are connected in the gaps of a bridge as shown in the figure. The null point is obtained with contact of the jockey at some point on the wire XY. When an unknown resistor is connected in parallel to the 3 ohm, the null point is shifted by 22.5 centimeter towards Y. The resistance of the unknown resistor is dash ohm. So, in the current situation, 2 and 3 ohm are connected in the gaps of the meter bridge, and the connection is, say, at this point you have the null point P, where if you put the jockey you get zero deflection. Okay, now what they are saying is something is connected in parallel with the 3 ohm. So when you connect some unknown resistor in parallel with 3 ohm, the resistance of this part is going to decrease and the balancing jockey will shift to the right to get the zero deflection point again. How much does it shift? It shifts by 22.5 centimeters. So let's apply the initial null point condition. We'll apply left resistor by a right resistor R by S is equal to X by 1 minus X. So 2 by 3 is equal to X by 1 minus X. You get the value of X as 0.4 meter. Now if the resistor is connected in parallel with 3 ohm, its resistance must decrease. So 1 minus X, which is the right gap over here, should decrease and the left gap X must increase. So I'm going to write now R by the new resistance in the right gap S dash is equal to X dash by 1 minus X dash. So they have already told that X dash is initial X plus 22.5 centimeter or 0.225 meter. Same thing in the denominator. Instead of 1 minus X, it's 1 minus of X plus 0.225 meter. And the value of X we have already determined to be 0.4 from case 1. So left gap resistance is same 2, but right gap resistance has changed as parallel combination of 3 and unknown resistance R, right? So 3R by 3 plus R. Now, if we substitute the value of X as 0.4, you're going to get 2 into 3 plus R divided by 3R as 0.625 by 0.375. So 2 into 3 plus R divided by 3R is equal to 5 by 3. Cancel the 3's in the denominator on both sides. Once you do that, you will get 6 plus 2R equal to 5R or 3R equal to 6, or this will lead you to the unknown resistance R being equal to 2. This is our answer. It matches with option